warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm one of the Naib Afsar, Jalsa Salana UK, Maqbool Ahmed. I have a number of Nizamats within my jurisdiction. So IT communication is one of them, where you're standing now. Our main role and responsibilities are to provide IT and communication telephone system to the entire Jalsa. And we also provide internet to a number of different offices. On top of that, we have transport. As you know, Hazur Akhtas has instructed lots of additional services in transport, so we, mashallah, doing that as well.
And a message for the viewers?
Message for viewers, please use EE, because that is a good service we have been providing, and most importantly, remember all of us in your prayers for the success of Jalsa Salana UK.